Good afternoon. My name is Steve Hoover. I'm one of the customer success coaches. Today, I'm going to talk to you about searching for schools using the map boundaries. Have you ever had a client looking for a property in a particular school district? You could add a field to the bottom of the search screen for high, middle, or elementary schools and search there. Here's the problem: not all agents will include the name of the school in their listing. In fact, if you use this method, you'll probably miss anywhere from one quarter to three quarters of the active listings. So, Bright has a better way of using the map search. First, run your search, then we're going to go into the map layers. So, let's go to my screen here. You would run your search, put in your criteria. Okay, I'm just going to skip the criteria for now, but this is what you would do: enter your criteria. Then you click on the map tab. Now, once you're in the map tab, a couple things here. If we click on layers and click the school option, you'll see high schools is grayed out, or middle and elementary, because we need to zoom in. So keep in mind, you need to zoom in first before you click the tab here. So I'm going to go in and going to go over to this area. Or I'm not, let's zoom out a little bit, find the area I'm looking for. All right, so we're in that area. And now I'm going to click the layers. Notice now I have access to high schools. So let's click high schools. And you'll see the high school boundaries are all displayed. The high school boundaries will be displayed in all of Bright. Okay. So the next step is actually to click on this little hand. Now, this hand's not going to appear here until you click on the high schools. So I'm now going to click on this hand. Notice when I move my cursor away, it's yellow, which means it is active. And let's center, I'm going to click on Ligonor here, and you'll see what happens. It basically draws a line around Ligonor, and all the active properties in Ligonor are now displayed. Now, to show you what I meant by agents not putting listings in, let's go to the results. Here are my results, but I'm going to change my display. I have a custom display set up for high schools. And there we go. High schools, as you can see, with this exception. Not sure if this is accurate, but notice Ligonor is listed for most of them, but look at the missing ones. There's about three or four missing listings, missing high schools down here. We go to the second page. We have some additional missing listings there. So, in this last one, no listings at all. Now, you can do it more than one high school at a time. Let's say you also wanted to do, say, South Carroll over here. Uh, Click the hand again. Click South Carroll. Notice it draws the lines around there. If we look at the results, in fact, let's remove Ligonor here, although you could have them both at the same time. But let's look at the results at South Carroll. And there you go. You can see the South Carroll here. These are listings within South Carroll, but also look at the number that don't have any entries. If you had searched high schools at the bottom of the search screen, you wouldn't have found those listings. So using the map boundaries for searching school districts makes the most sense to find all the properties you want. Hey, I appreciate everyone who attended today, and thanks for attending. And I will see you next time.